The key word here is and. So solve each inequality. So subtract 5 from both sides and you get x is greater than -3 and x is less than 10. And means intersection. That means take what's in common between the two pieces. If I was to graph x is greater than -3, -3 is not included, you would shade all the way up that way to infinity. And if this is 10, I'm going to change colors, x is less than 10, 10 is not included, would be all the way that way. Now, if you were to put the red line on top of the blue line, what would be double shaded? You want to take the intersection, or what's in common, between this line and this line, and that would be this area here, range, I should say. So -3 up to 10. So that's why the answer is A.